Namaste. Today is World Physiotherapy Day, a day to recognize the role physiotherapists across the globe play in elevating people's health and helping individuals maximizing the quality of their lives. When human functioning is jeopardized by diseases, disorders, aging and injury, physiotherapy helps them restore movement and functional ability. As physiotherapists, you are constantly helping people to heal and recover, to regain control of their mobility and their independence, to lead full and fulfilling lives. These are contributions that must be commended and celebrated. On behalf of WHO, I thank you for your work and contribution. The value of physiotherapy is further illuminated by its interventions to alleviate the personal and environmental barriers of people with functional limitation, thereby promoting participative and dignified living. With the rising prevalence of non-communicable diseases, injuries and the aging population, there is a significant and ever-increasing requirement of physiotherapists in the health system. I hope that the commemoration of this day can help bring attention to this. Multiple events in the past have clearly demonstrated the significance of physiotherapy and physiotherapists. The role played by physiotherapists in Nepal during the 2015 earthquake response was commendable in preventing the disabling consequences of injuries and promoting the early mobility and functioning of injured survivors. In the ongoing pandemic as well, physiotherapists have been critical in facilitating the recovery of COVID-19 patients. Honoring the exemplary role played by physiotherapists in building healthier and prosperous Nepal, WHO extends its warm wishes to all the physiotherapists in the country. Happy World Physiotherapy Day. Thank you very much.